So how to overwinter your geraniums. This is Mrs. Pollock. It's got great foliage and a lovely flower colour too. So taking this out of the garden, we're due a frost next week which will kill these. We're in an unheated greenhouse, so I want to put this in a bit of a dormant state too. So in the base here of this pot, we've got a mixture of compost and soil. It is spent compost. This is just to add build the pot up. Now all of these roots, we're going to get all of these in here, put this in, but then I'm going to top it off with some lovely proper fresh compost. Now this is clover, which is peat compost, and I know there's lots of thoughts about peat, and I do make my own compost too, which I would prefer to use. But the setting and the customer that I'm with, this is their requirement. So I can't always do what I would like. So we push that in, firm that down nice. Now, so we've got this big plant here, and with some secateurs, we're going to just cut this down. So as we see here, if I do this sideways, we've got this big leader here with the flower on, which is stunning. We're going to cut down, we're going to keep the plant in a lovely shape. We're going to cut that off there. And also there's another one here which is about to flower. So just above the leaf node, cut that off like so. And as you can see, there's a lovely plant there. This will overwinter very well in the greenhouse. We'll just keep this we won't let it, we'll let it dry out and just water it as it's needed. We won't want to keep it too moist. We don't want to keep it too dry either. It's a bit of a balance. But these also, they're taken off here. I'll take that flower stem off there. This would make a great cut-in also. Happy gardening.